This is a food review. I'm bringing it to you. It's fall flavor from Sonic. And it's a Master Shake or Custard Shake. Concord of pumpkin pie. I'm gonna open up a spoon. Seen here, as I'm going to see right here. As I show in this clip right here, it's cherry top, crumbs, and some pie stuff. And I'm going to see what I can have. Good. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now. Thanks for watching this video on YouTube. If you like the video on YouTube, give me a thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel. And you can visit my blogs at any time. And my social media is included. And thanks for watching. I will see you on my next video. Bye for now.